What's up guys, Healthy Plus 7 channel here, and today we're going to show you if intense cardio exercise is better than fat-burning workouts. Have you ever found yourself aimlessly cycling on a stationary bike or running on a treadmill, questioning if your sweat and aching muscles are contributing to actual weight loss? When it comes to weight loss, we often find ourselves stuck in the whirlwind of misinformation, confused about whether to focus on a fat burn or cardio, or if hitting that elusive peak zone will lead us to our weight loss goals. Now, imagine if you had a magic key to unlock the mysteries behind these terms. Intense cardio or high-intensity interval training is all about giving your maximum effort in short bursts. This boosts your metabolism, increasing the rate at which your body burns calories. Fat-burning workouts, on the other hand, typically involve moderate-intensity exercises. While they are designed to burn fat, the number of calories burnt during the workout itself is comparatively less. One major advantage of intense cardio exercises is the afterburn effect. This means that your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate even after your workout session is over. In contrast, the calorie-burning effect of fat-burning workouts tends to end once the workout is over. There's minimal afterburn, meaning fewer calories burn in the long run. Another benefit of intense cardio exercises is time efficiency. These workouts are designed to be short, making them perfect for those with busy schedules who still want to stay healthy and fit. On the other hand, fat-burning workouts often require longer periods of time to achieve the same results. This can make it difficult for those with busy lifestyles to maintain a consistent exercise routine. Furthermore, intense cardio workouts can also improve your cardiovascular health. By pushing your heart rate to its maximum, these workouts can strengthen your heart and improve your overall endurance. Conversely, while fat-burning workouts can improve your stamina, they may not provide the same level of cardiovascular conditioning as intense cardio workouts. But the secret lies in the aftermath. Known as the afterburn effect or EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, your body tends to burn more calories even after you've finished exercising, giving cardio a superior edge. Finally, reaching the peak zone, where you are 85 to 100% of your maximum heart rate, means incredibly intense exercise. It forces your body into anaerobic exercise and helps to increase your VO2 max, thus improving your physical fitness. But remember, to lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit. It doesn't matter whether those calories come from fat, carbs, or even protein. The rule is simple: burn more than you consume. Lastly, intense cardio exercises can be easily modified to fit any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, you can adjust the intensity according to your needs and capabilities. Fat-burning workouts, while also adjustable, may not offer the same level of flexibility. They often require a certain level of fitness to begin with, which can be intimidating for beginners. Let's start with a common misconception: the fat-burning zone. Yes, it's true that while performing low-intensity exercises, our body mainly uses fat as a source of energy. However, if your goal is weight loss, it's not as straightforward. To understand why, let's dive into some science. When we exercise at 50 to 70% of our maximum heart rate, our bodies are in the fat-burning zone. We burn a higher percentage of calories from fat, but overall, we burn fewer calories than more intense exercises. Now, let's discuss cardio. Performing cardio at about 70 to 85% of your maximum heart rate translates to higher intensity and, thus, more total calories burned. Starting off, remember we discussed the fat-burning zone? It's perfect for beginners or for your recovery days. Engaging in low-intensity workouts, like brisk walking, will strengthen your stamina while primarily burning fat. In conclusion, while both intense cardio and fat-burning workouts have their place in a balanced exercise regime, intense cardio exercises often provide more benefits. They burn more calories, improve cardiovascular health, and are more time efficient. Remember, the best workout for you ultimately depends on your fitness goals, physical condition, and personal preferences. Always listen to your body and consult with a fitness professional if you're unsure. Stay tuned for more fitness insights, and remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Until next time, keep moving, keep sweating, and keep pushing your limits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just like we said before, keep pushing your limits because the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen.